Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible. And I'll read from the seller's statement at the auction. And the seller stated 1969 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible, presenting a pristine garage kept low mileage vehicle. And it has 99,000 miles. She rides and drives as good as she looks. History: has protective plate, owner's manual, and receipts come with the vehicle. Has a 350 V8 two-barrel, 230 horsepower Buick engine, turbo 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power convertible top, new dual exhaust, low restriction, and Buick Rally wheels. And like I said, it had 99,000 miles, and it bid to $19,000, but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And it was definitely a good looker, that's for sure. It had the eyeball. That was probably the money for it, being just a 352 barrel. But the seller decided to keep it because this auction has reserves, and it's up to the seller if you want to sell it or not. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Buick Skylark Custom Convertible with 99,000 miles, with a 350 V8 and a turbo 350 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, power top, and it bid to $19,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.